What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I am back with another tutorial. Today I will be showing you guys how I got this natural looking bob right here. Y'all, I am so in love with this wig, y'all. This install process was super easy, and like y'all, like honey, yes. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that bell for another video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. The company I will be working with today is MyFirstWig. Y'all, if you are beginners, I highly suggest this wig. It comes with so many goodies, as you guys can see. I got deep conditioner packets, I got a wig cap, I got this little bag which came with a wax stick, comb, I got some clips, and I got some hairpins, y'all. Like, it was bomb, really bomb. The packaging is always bomb, and it also comes with instructions on how to take care of your hair, and then also you have an in-depth detail of your wig. This is the wig. This is a 14-inch yaki straight lace front wig. It is a 13x6 unit. It did come with combs, adjustable straps, and an adjustable elastic band. Now, when we get into installing, you know you want to go ahead and clean the perimeter of your hairline with alcohol or sea breeze, whichever one you prefer. You just want to make sure you don't have any makeup or anything on your hairline. Next, I'm going to go in with my Got To Be Glued yellow bottle, and I'll just take a popsicle stick and do like a thin layer of the gel going across my hairline from ear to ear, and then I go over that with some freeze spray. You can do how many layers you want to. I do find that with the Got To Be, you only need like 1 or 2 layers, and it will last you all day. And if you plan on having the wig on longer than that, it will last you for up to a week to a week and a half, I would say. It just depends on how you take care of it. But yeah, as you guys can see, I'm just going ahead and doing like a little thin layer of the Got To Be Glued, like I said, in the yellow bottle, and then I'm going to go over that with my Got To Be freeze spray, and then I'm going to just take my blow dryer and blow dry my hairline until I feel that it is tacky enough to put the wig down. Once you feel like your gel is tacky enough, you want to go ahead and lay the lace on top of where you put down your gel. Do not press into the lace until you have everything laid to how you want it to lay. That is a key factor, and I used to mess up doing that all the time. I just went ahead and hurried up and smashed the lace down. Don't do that. Take your time, lay your lace down, place it how you want it to place, and then once you get it where you want it placed, comb the lace into the glue, sort of like so. Just take your comb and start combing the hair into the lace, and it will give like that melt effect with the adhesive and the comb. I don't know how it does it, but y'all, it does it. Then I'm gonna take my blow dryer like so and just make sure everything is dry, and then once I am satisfied, I go in and I'm going to cut off any excess lace. You can cut off your excess lace with scissors or a razor comb, whichever one you prefer. I like to use either or. It just depends on how I'm feeling or whatever is closest to me on hand. But yeah, as you guys can see, I'm just gonna, like I said, go ahead and cut off any excess lace, and then if you have any extra lace that is sticking up, you want to go ahead and gel that back down with your Got To Be Glued, or use your freeze spray and lay any excess lace down. Once you get that done, we are going to go ahead and take our blow dryer and repeat the same motions. Take your rat tail comb, press the comb into the lace with the blow dryer, and just make sure everything is laying snatched and flat. Now we are going to lay the baby hairs, and like I said before, this wig did already come pre-bleached and pre-plucked. I did not have to pluck this hairline at all, y'all. So I'm just going to take my Got To Be Glue gel in my yellow bottle and lay my baby hairs. I'm going to do just some simple swoops using my edge control brush like so. Y'all, I find like this company is bomb.com. Like, their wigs are specifically made for beginners. Like, when I tell y'all, I did not have to customize this wig at all. Like, it was literally ready to wear out of the box, y'all. Out of the box. Like, come on, sis. So like I said, you want to just go ahead and lay your baby hairs, and I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the other side until I get the look that I'm going for, and then I should be getting into styling and then we'll be done. And of course, for styling, I use my Babyliss Pro straightener. I use the same straightener in all my videos, but I have you guys always ask what straightener I use, so I just want to go ahead and let you guys know before. Now, to make my hairline look super flat and snatched, I'm going to take my Got to Be Glued yellow freeze spray and my rat tail comb and my hot comb, and I'm just pressing everything back, just making sure everything looks snatched. You know, you want everything looking real flat. You don't want no bumps, no lumps, or no humps. Now that we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and start straightening, and then that will complete the finished look. Alright guys, so this is the finished look, and I am so in love. Like, look at that lace. It's melted, y'all. It's laid. My first wig, y'all did the damn thing with this, because like, silk press wear, relaxer wear, honey, like this looks and feels just like my natural hair, honey. Like, I thought for a second myself I got a sew in or something. Like, and then the lace, what lace? Look at that. Look at that. Scalpiana. Come on now. Again, y'all, this is My First Wig. This is their ARIES 14-inch Yaki straight wig. It is a bob. It does come with 13x6 parting space, and it also comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached. It also comes with combs, adjustable straps, and an elastic band. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.